Hi, I'm insulating my place, and I just thought I'd like to show you what I'm using here for an insulation. Let me switch it over here. I'm using a insulation called Timberbatt. It's really great stuff. I really like it. It's a wood fiber thermal acoustic insulation. And it's I got the 3.5 inch. It's for 2x4 studs. And it's got a little bit better R value than the fiberglass. I think the fiberglass is around R13. Really love the stuff. Let me show you what I do. I'll go over to the wall where I'm going to insulate. Okay, here it is. I already put one in already. As you can see, it went in really well. I'll cut one and show you how I did it. But I'm working with metal studs, and they're actually cement walls. The studs are actually made out of cement with rebar in it, with a metal front on it to screw the sheetrock into. Okay, what I did to cut the insulation was I took some OSB board that I had hanging around, and I took my clamps. I have several clamps here. I clamped a piece of first strip on the table to the width that I want to cut the first strip to. And what I'll do is I'll get the insulation. It's a nice firm insulation. It's really nice. And I put it against the first strip, so I have the exact measurement that I measured it for. Then I take a Sharpie, my measuring tape, and measure the top. For this cut, I want 20 inches. Then I take another piece of first strip and put it at the line. And take some more clamps here and clamp it down. There, now I have the top and bottom measured exactly, so I can just use my handsaw and just cut right along the two pieces of wood, the one on top and one on bottom from the OSB board. It cuts really easy. It's like butter. There you go. I'll put this aside to use it for some other time. Take off the clamps. And there you have it. Now I'll bring it over to the wall and install it. Okay, here we go. So just put it at the bottom first and push in the sides. Now I have a plug here. I take a little blade, a Sawzall blade, and I just cut around the plug. And there you have it. I take a block of wood and push it on the edges. It's a nice snug fit. And there you go. Looks great. Now I'll do another piece on top, and then this wall will be done. So there you have it. Came out really good. Nice and clean. Really easy to work with. My ceilings are not quite 9 feet, so I have to put a little piece at the top there, but that's easy to do with some scraps I have. And that's it. I hope you like what you saw. And I wouldn't hesitate at all to recommend getting this Timberbatt insulation. Here's a corner that I did. Came out really well. The little thin pieces that I cut off, I put in the near the corner there. And it looks really clean, really nice. Really happy with the insulation. I'll show you a wall here that I finished, and it came out really well, top to bottom. It's a really nice insulation, easy to work with. It doesn't itch like the fiberglass insulations do, and looks really good. You could almost paint it and leave it as it is. But no, I'm going to sheetrock it. It's going to be nice. And but that's it. It's a really great insulation. And again, remember, it's Timberbatt. Timberbatt insulation. This is the 2x4 wood 24-inch one, which is a R14. It comes 7 bats to a package, and it does a really great job. Love the stuff.